Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a Grohe QuickFix accessory using the example of a towel rail. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. A few important notes before we get started. This installation also applies to many other screw-in accessories. The packaging includes all the parts you need to install the product. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. To attach your new towel rail to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pencil, a drill with a 6mm masonry drill bit, a hammer and a Phillips screwdriver. So, let's get started. The mounting plates must have an exact distance of 45 cm, measured from centre to centre. You should now plan exactly where the holder should be placed. Once you've picked a good place, clean it thoroughly first, then mark the spot. Now draw 2 horizontal lines to align the towel rail in position. You can use a spirit level to check the horizontal alignment. Mark 2 vertical lines at a distance of 45 cm with the help of the spirit level to determine the exact position. Loosen the small Allen screws on both sides of the holder and take out the mounting plates. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plates and stick them on. Now feel free to test the distance. Perfect! Now drill straight through the holes in the plate with a size 6 masonry drill. Press in the dowels, lightly screw in the screw, and carefully tap it in with a hammer. Then tighten the screw. Finally, just attach the towel rail and fasten it with the small Allen screws. Done!